just got dark.
Welcome to Ryan's Family Review.
Okay, let's see if we can wake Ryan up. It's the big day. It's the big day. We're gonna finally... So it's 4 a.m. Let's see if we can wake Ryan up to go to Disney World here. Morning. Ryan, remember how we talked about we were gonna wake up in the middle of the night to go to Disney World? Do you remember? Ryan. There you go. Good boy. Morning. How you feeling? Ryan and Mommy and Daddy are gonna get dressed and then we will meet you guys in the car, right? So the twins are gonna stay home with their grandmas. Thank you so much, grandmas, for watching them. They're too little to fully enjoy the Disney experience, but we will definitely bring them next time. Oh, Ryan's gonna kiss the baby. Kiss the baby, have to stay home. You can't go with us, right? So we're finally here at the airport, ready to go. Ryan fell asleep a little bit, but he's up now. How was your nap on the way here?
He's high as in Duplo.
All right, let's get going.
All right, let's go.
So we're finally at the airport. What are you standing on?
Whoa!
What? What do you see? Oh, just a, whoa,
It sounds weird.
echo. We're standing in the center and it echoes. Echoing. Do you hear? Whoa. It's because of this thing. That's pretty cool. Not anymore. Ooh, so we found a gift shop at the airport. Ooh, look at this cool. Got a micro flip car.
Ooh, this car is cool. I want this one.
Alright, so we're finally gonna go and aboard our airplane.
And
Our
get
plane's
a
right there.
toy.
Yeah, and then check out that toy that Ryan got.
A Jinjuji toy.
What are you talking about, Jinjuji toy?
We're on the airplane.
Yes. We're going on the airplane.
Whoa! It's leading me to that. We're on the airplane.
We're boarding the airplane. It's right there. Alright, finally found our seat. Let's go in. Mommy gonna sit next to you?
Yeah, and let's get our toys out.
Okay, let's check out this toy here. Alright, so this car is kind of cool because what? Where's the light? Oh, there it is. You guys see the light? Whoa.
It hits the wall, then it does like...
Yeah, so we're gonna try once we get to the our hotel.
It
right?
does like...
Yeah. Let's see what the view looks like. Let's open up the window there.
Whoa!
What do we see?
Airplane.
Oh yeah. Oh, a different airplane that's loading up. That's pretty cool.
I never get to see loading up.
You never get to see? Well, at least you can see now. You can see. You can see when we fly now, right?
Hi, kids. Today we're gonna play with all these toys and sweets.
What do you have?
A police car.
Yeah, So we're gonna open this awesome Japanese police car and some yummy ice cream candy. Alright, got it? Oh, so you twist it and it comes up. Ooh. Is it good? Is it even good? Whoa, it got bigger and bigger.
Look at this big one.
Yeah. Yummy in your tummy? Ryan, you got something on your chin.
I know. Get it out.
You get it out.
No.
Dude, what do I do with this? You like it. What do I do? Oh, it just got dark. Ooh, and we got this cute little penguin pillow. Look at this. In the car that we're gonna open later. Look how cute it is. Hi kids. It's cute for nap time. We can just share. See, mommy lean on one side and you lean on the other side. So daddy says he likes the penguin. It is super cute.
Yeah, it's so cute. I can just keep staring at it the whole time.
It is not yours, daddy. This is Ryan's pillow penguin. Right? And we are finally moving. I think we are going down now, Ryan. We're landing.
We're already on the floor.
We're in the floor. Let's see. Whoa. Whoa.
Wow. Wow.
Shaky. You're right. Whoa.
So long.
I know. All right, watch your step. Watch your step. We're finally here. Ryan's going up. Let's go. Are we in the front or the back, you think?
Do we find that?
Guess we'll
I think
find
it's
out.
going that way. I think I'm going.
Yes.
And other ground transportation options are on level 1.
Whoa. The
That's
bottom.
cool.
Look at that.
Yeah, let's go. Be
Hurry.
careful, okay?
Hurry.
Let's go. Watch your step. Watch your step. There we go. That's so crowded. So many people.
Okay.
Okay. Watch your step.
I'm scared.
Watch our step. I'm scared. You're scared, Marianne?
I'm scared of this one.
Alright, so now we gotta find our luggage. What comes out of that? Ryan, do you remember what your luggage looked like?
Lightning McQueen.
The Lightning McQueen? Okay, anybody seen Lightning McQueen luggage? Alright, so we found Mommy's suitcase. Alright, one down, and how many more are we still looking for? 2. Oh, I think I see it. I see it.
Watch Ryan.
Now we got 2. How many more are we missing?
One.
1, yeah. There we go. One last one. Alright, let's go.
So mommy and Ryan's waiting for the bus a long time already. They're just sitting on the ground.
For like 100 minutes.
I know, and we're hungry. And all we
We're just
have
eating
are
snacks.
snacks. It's not even real food, but that's all we have.
Yeah, there's a long line right here. Super long line.
There.
Now I can finally abort one of those buses over there.
3. Yes.
Alright, let's find a seat.
Sleepy. Ryan's sleeping.
Oh,
Was it
not
fake?
asleep? Fake sleeping? You think he's fake sleeping?
Oh, really?
Oh,
everybody's going, wait.
Whoa. My step. Thank you. Over here. Thank you for watching. I hope everybody have a family-tastic day. And don't forget to check out Ryan's Toy Review channel for the hotel tour of Disney Art of Animation.
Have a family-tastic day. Don't forget to subscribe for more Ryan's